What exactly is the distinction between Shopify and Shopify POS? Do you want to open an online store but aren't sure which platform to use? Today, we'll go through the distinctions between Shopify and Shopify POS so you can make an informed selection. Alternatively, you may contact a Shopify POS professional by clicking the link below. Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that allows anybody to quickly, conveniently, and inexpensively set up an online business. It has adjustable themes, analytics tools, and interaction with other programs. Customers may use Shopify to buy things from all across the world in their favorite currency. Shopify POS, on the other hand, brings these services into the actual world. It gives businesses an iPad or Android tablet to replace their traditional cash register. This enables them to accept credit cards and manage inventories in real time. Shopify POS also makes order management easier by allowing consumers to pay for products at checkout and receive order confirmations directly from the app. One of the primary distinctions between Shopify and Shopify POS is that the latter is exclusively available to retail establishments. While both platforms accept different payment methods such as PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay, only physical establishments may take Square payments and gift cards through their POS system. Furthermore, while both platforms enable loyalty programs, only Shopify POS merchants can offer customers awards based on purchase history, as well as discounts for things purchased in big quantities or at specific times of day-year. Furthermore, unlike its competitor Wix stores, which offers restricted product modification possibilities, Shopify Storefront enables various product versions, allowing merchants to easily vary their goods in response to client demand. Furthermore, it has APIs that allow for deeper connections with external programs like accounting software, QuickBooks, and marketing automation tool MailChimp. Finally, if you're searching for an industry-leading digital commerce solution, Shopify is the way to go. If you run a real business and want complex point-of-sale features, go for the more advanced solution, Shopify POS. To chat with a Shopify POS professional, click the link below.